Hey, what's up guys? So the highly anticipated flagship, the OnePlus 12 is going to be an absolute camera beast. Last week the company confirmed that the OnePlus 12 would come with Sony Lightyear sensor, and now the brand has revealed more information about its main camera. The OnePlus 12 will feature the new Sony Lightyear LYT-808 sensor. The sensor is said to offer improved image quality and performance, particularly in low light situations. The sensor is a 50 megapixel 1 by 1.4 inch in size with double layer transistorized pixel technology. By expanding the photodiode capacity and transistor size, the sensor enhances the intake of light, resulting in a 2x increase in saturated signal capacity. This innovation promises an exceptional dynamic range performance, rendering night scenes with remarkable clarity while preventing overexposure of highlights. Additionally, the 64 megapixel periscope lens with 3x optical zoom and optical image stabilization support has also been confirmed by the company. The camera system will take advantage from Hasselblad's expertise in color science and image processing. The crispy clear 2K resolution Pro XDR display has also been confirmed by the brand. The device has obtained DisplayMate A+ certification and it is one of the best 2K display. It could be a tall 6.82-inch curved LTPO display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 2600 nits of brightness. One of the major features that the OnePlus 11 lacked last year was the wireless charging, but that won't be the case with the OnePlus 12 as it will now feature 50-watt fast wireless charging. It will be among the first devices to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, which will be paired with a whopping 24GB of RAM, and with this combination it will be one of the fastest phones. The battery on the OnePlus 12 will be a 5400 mAh with 100-watt fast charging. It is expected to launch by the end of this month in China, followed by a global release in early next year. So what do you guys think about this OnePlus 12? Do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.